Welcome to my channel UPSC Warriors. Power Up Prelims 2026 GS Test 15 Polity Questions Live. Warning: 95% aspirants lose 15 to 20 marks on these exact questions. Ultimate challenge. 5 seconds think, comment, answer ABCD. End में check करना कितने correct you? 2026 pattern confirmed. Same difficulty, same tricks. Warriors ready? Answers type karo now. Question 1 drops. Question 1. Which of the following statements are correct with reference to the Constituent Assembly of India? 1. Dr. Sachidanand Sinha was chosen as the first temporary president, as he was the oldest member of the Assembly. 2. The Assembly had two vice presidents, H.C. Mukherjee and G.V. Mavlankar. 3. It functioned as the legislative body of Free India until the first general elections in 1952. Select the correct answer using the code given below. A. 1 only. B. I 1 and 3 only. C. 2 and 3 only. D. 1, 2 and 3. Correct answer, B. 1 and 3 only. Explanation. Statement 1 correct. Dr. Sachidanand Sinha was oldest member, chosen as first temporary president following French practice. Later Dr. Rajendra Prasad became permanent president. Statement 3 correct. Constituent Assembly acted as provisional parliament from 1947 to 1952 until first general elections. Statement 2 wrong. Two vice presidents were H.C. Mukherjee and V.T. Krishnamachari. G.V. Mavlankar was chairman of Dominion Legislature, not V.P. Question 2. In the context of the Constitution of India, the principle of substantive equality implies which of the following? 1. Treating every individual in the same manner, irrespective of their social and economic conditions. 2. Taking positive measures by the state to reduce existing inequalities among different sections of society. 3. Guaranteeing equality before the law under Article 14 fully realizes substantive equality without the need for any special provisions. 4. Providing special provisions or affirmative action to disadvantaged groups to achieve real equality of opportunity. Select the correct answer using the code given below. A. 1 and 3 only. B. 2 and 4 only. C. 1, 2 and 4 only. D. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Correct answer, B. 2 and 4 only. 2 correct. State takes positive measures to reduce inequalities, reservations, welfare schemes. 4 correct. Affirmative action under Article 15, 4, 16, 4, for disadvantage groups. 1 wrong. Same treatment is equal to formal equality, not substantive. 3 wrong. Article 14, formal equality, needs special provisions for real equality. Question 3. With respect to the fundamental rights of the armed forces, consider the following statements. 1. The President of India, as the Supreme Commander, is empowered to restrict or suspend the fundamental rights of the armed forces. 2. Court-martial proceedings under military laws can be excluded from the writ jurisdiction of the Supreme Court and High Courts. Which of the statements given above are correct? A. 1 only. B. 2 only. C. Both 1 and 2. D. Neither 1 nor 2. Correct answer, D. Neither 1 nor 2. 1 wrong. Article 33. Parliament restricts FR's precedent assents only. 2 wrong. Court-martial reviewable, R.S. Bhagat case, Articles 32 by 226. Question 4. Consider the following functionaries. 1. Members of the State Council of Ministers. 2. Members of the State Public Service Commission. 3. Advocate General of the State. 4. State Election Commissioner. V. District Judge. How many of the above-mentioned functionaries are appointed by the governor and are also subject to removal by him? A. Only 2. B. Only 3. C. Only 4. D. All the 5. Correct answer, B. Only 3. 2, 3, 4 correct. SPSC, Art 316, Advocate General, Art 165, Sec, Art 243K. 1 wrong, Ministers on Chief Minister Advice, Art 164. We wrong, District Judge, Ghana plus High Court Collegium, Art 233. Question 5. With reference to the State Legislative Assembly, consider the following statements. 1. The Constitution of India has fixed both the maximum and minimum strength of the Assembly. 2. The governor of a state can nominate one member from the Anglo-Indian community to the Assembly. 3. Only 4 union territories in India possess their own legislative assemblies. Which of the statements given above are correct? A. 2 only. B. 3 only. C. 1 only. D. 1, 2 and 3. Correct answer, C. I only. I correct. Article 170, Max 500, Min 60, exceptions exist. 2 wrong, 104th Amendment 2019 ended Anglo-Indian nomination, 2020. 3 wrong, only 3 UTs, Delhi, J&K, Puducherry. Question 6. With reference to the Cabinet Secretariat of India, consider the following statements. I. It functions directly under the Union Home Minister. 2. It is the custodian of the papers of the Cabinet meetings. 3. It is directly responsible for the implementation of plans and programs of each ministry. 4. All ministries send a monthly report to the Cabinet Secretariat providing details on important policy matters. Which of the statements given above are correct? A. I and 2 only. B. 4 only. C. 2 and 4 only. D. 2, 3 and 4 only. Correct answer, C. 2 and 4 only. 2 correct, statutory custodian of cabinet papers. 4 correct, ministries send monthly due letters. I wrong, directly under Prime Minister. 3 wrong, ministries implement their plans. Question 7. Consider the following pairs. Post vertical bar constitutional requirement for removal. I. President vertical bar 2/3 of the total membership of the House. 2. Vice President vertical bar Rajya Sabha passes resolution with effective majority and Lok Sabha agrees by simple majority. 3. Chief Justice of India vertical bar more than 2/3 of members present and voting and majority of total membership. 4. Controller and Auditor General vertical bar majority of all then members of the House. How many of the pairs given above are correctly matched? A. Only 1. B. Only 2. C. Only 3. D. All the 4. All the 4 correct answer. C. Only 3. I. 2. 3 correct. President, Art 61. Vice President, 67B. CJI, 124, 4. 4 wrong, CAC same as Supreme Court Judge, Art 148. Reference to appointment of additional and acting judges of High Court, consider. 1. Additional judges serve until backlog cleared, acting judges up to 2 years. 2. Neither additional nor acting judge can hold office after 62 years. Which statements correct? A. 1 only. B. 2 only. C. Both. D. Neither correct. Answer B. 2 only. 1 wrong. Article 224. Additional max 2 years, acting till vacancy filled. 2 correct. All High Court judges retire at 62 years. Question 9. Consider statements regarding parliamentary offices. 1. Office of whip is statutory post. 2. Leader of opposition is statutory, entitled to cabinet minister salary allowances. 3. Leader of House position based on parliamentary convention. Options: A. 1 2. B. 2, 3. C. 1 3. D. All correct. Answer B. 2 and 3 only. White heavy checkmark to correct. Salary and Allowances of Leaders of Opposition Act 1988. White heavy checkmark 3 correct. Prime Minister Leader of Majority Party, Convention. Crossmark 1 wrong. Whip appointed by party leadership only. Question 10. Consider statements regarding Article 19, 1a. 1. Speech with economic commercial intent protected same as individual freedom of speech. 2. Decency morality explicitly valid ground for limiting free speech. A. 1. B. 2. C. Both. D. Neither. Correct answer B. 2 only. 2 correct. Article 19, 2, explicitly lists decency or morality. 1 wrong. Commercial speech lesser protection, Tata Press case. Question 11. With reference to Supreme Court and High Courts. 1. Power to expand High Court jurisdiction rests exclusively with Parliament. 2. Pension of High Court judges charged on Consolidated Fund of India. 3. Both possess contempt powers. 4. Constitution empowers both to review own judgments. Select the correct options. A. 2, 3. B. 2, 4. C. 1, 3, 4. D. Correct answer A. 2 and 3 only. 2 correct. High Court judges pension on Consolidated Fund of India. 3 correct. Articles 129, SC, 215, HCs. 1 wrong. Parliament modifies existing jurisdiction. 4 wrong. Review inherent, courts of record. Question 12. Consider expenditure. 1. Infrastructure projects. 2. Debt charges Government of India liable. 3. Salary allowances Chairman Deputy Chairman Rajya Sabha. 4. Statutory grants union to states under Article 275. Which charged expenditure on Consolidated Fund? A. 1, 2. B. 2, 3. C. 2, 3, 4. D. 1, 3, 4. Correct answer C. 2, 3 and 4 only. 2, 3, 4 correct. Debt charges, rupees salaries, are 275 grants. 1 wrong. Infrastructure votable expenditure. Question 13. Consider department-related standing committees. 1. Home Affairs. 2. Defense. 3. External Affairs. 4. Personal, Public Grievances, Law and Justice. Which work under Rajya Sabha? A. 1, 2. B. 1, 3. C. 2, 4. D. 1, 4. Correct answer D. 1 and 4 only. 1. 4 correct. Rajya Sabha committees. 2. 3 wrong. Lok Sabha committees. Question 14. Nature enforceability fundamental rights. 1. All self-executory. 2. Enforceable against state and private individuals. Select the correct option. A. 1. B. 2. C. Both. D. Neither. Correct answer, D. Neither 1 nor 2. 1 wrong, some FRs need legislation. 2 wrong, only against state, Article 12. Question 15. State list, List 2, 7th schedule. 1. Prisons. 2. Banking. 3. Education. 4. Agriculture. We betting and gambling. 6. Fishing beyond territorial waters. A. 1 4 we. B. 2,3. C. 4. D. I 4 6. Correct answer, A. 1 4 and we only. State, prisons, agriculture, betting. Union, banking, fisheries beyond waters. Concurrent, education. Question 16, President of India. 1. Oath administered by Chief Justice. 2. Appoints Rajya Sabha member when chairman vacant. 3. Decides MP disqualification consulting presiding officers. Options. A. 1. B. 2,3. C. At 3. D. All. Correct answer, A. 1 only. 1 correct, Article 60, Chief Justice Oath. 2 wrong, Deputy Chairman presides, Article 91. 3 wrong, Election Commission opinion, Article 103. Question 17, Representation Union Territories Lok Sabha. 1. Parliament determines election method. 2. Only Delhi, Puducherry, J&K represented Rajya Sabha. A. 1. B. 2. C. Both. D. Neither. Correct answer, C. Both 1 and 2. 1 correct, Article 327. 2 correct, only 3 UTs send Rajya Sabha members. Question 18. Which qualifications mentioned in Constitution for Gunner appointment? 1. Must complete 35 years age. 2. Domiciled person cannot be Gunner of that state. 3. Only citizens by birth eligible. 4. Must be qualified for state legislature membership. Options. A. 1, 3, 4. B. 1 only. C. 2, 3, 4. D. 1 2 only. Answer. B. 1 only. 1 correct, Article 157. 1 must be Indian citizen plus completed 35 years. 2 wrong, no constitutional bar on domicile, only convention, outsider preferred. 3 wrong, any Indian citizen eligible, naturalized citizens qualify. 4 wrong, Article 158. 3 cannot be sitting member of any legislature at appointment time. Question 19. Rajya Sabha resolution statements. 1. National interest Parliament legislates state list GST. 2. Resolution needs 2/3 RD members present plus voting. 3. Resolution valid 6 months, renewable unlimited. Options are A. 1 only. B. 1, 2. C. 2, 3. D. All. Correct answer, B. 1 and 2 only. 1 correct, Article 249, Rajya Sabha, National Interest, Resolution Parliament gets power on state list subjects. 2 correct, Article 249, 1 2 3 RD present and voting special majority. 3 wrong, valid 1 year maximum, not 6 months, renewable by fresh resolution. Question 20. Which acts remained in force after Constitution? 1. Indian Independence Act 1947. 2. Government of India Act 1935. 3. Abolition of Privy Council Jurisdiction Act 1949. Select correct option. A. 1 only. B. 1 3. C. 3 only. D. All 3. Correct answer. C. 3 only. 3 correct. Passed 1949. Abolished Privy Council appeals after Constitution, January 1950. 1 wrong. Independence Act lapsed 15 August 1947, pre-Constitution. 2 wrong. Article 395 Constitution expressly repealed GOI Act 1935. Question 21. Gram Sabha eligibility, Sita, 19 years, Rampur resident, electoral roll. A. No, minimum 21 years. B. Yes, 18 plus age, resident, electoral roll. C. No, only elected Gram Panchayat members. D. Yes, all women Gram Sabha members. Correct answer. B. Yes. B. Correct. Article 243. B. Gram Sabha is equal to all persons 18 plus years in village electoral roll. Sita qualifies completely. A wrong. Minimum age 18 years. Article 243-O voter registration. C. Wrong. Gram Sabha is equal to all registered voters, not elected representatives. D. Wrong. Open to all adults, not women only. Question 22. DPSP matching. 1. Living wage, Socialist, Code on Wages 2019. 2. Cottage industry, Socialist, 1 district 1 product. 3. SC cent interests, Gandhian, Eklavya schools. 4. Nutrition level, Liberal intellectual, Poshan Abhiyan. Select correct option. A. Only 1. B. Only 2. C. Only 3. D. All 4. Correct answer. A. Only 1. 3 correct. Article 46. SC cent weaker sections is equal to Gandhian DPSP. Eklavya schools perfect match. 1 wrong. Article 43. Living wage is equal to socialist, but Code on Wages gives minimum wage, not living wage. 2 wrong. Article 43. Cottage industries is equal to Gandhian, village self-reliance, not socialist. 4 wrong. Article 47. Nutrition is equal to socialist DPSP, welfare state, not liberal intellectual. Question 23. Which not correct about Supreme Court? A. Guardian of Constitution. B. Precedent determines actual strength. C. Federal Court plus Final Appeal Court. D. Original jurisdiction fundamental rights disputes. Correct answer. B. B. Wrong. Parliament fixes SC strength. Article 124, 1, Supreme Court Act. President only appoints judges. A correct. Basic structure doctrine guardian. C. Correct. Article 131, Federal plus appellate jurisdiction. D. Correct. Article 32 writs for fundamental rights. Question 24. Statement 1. Parliament Acts don't auto-apply all states. Statement 2. Assam parliamentary laws subject to President's decision. Options are A. Both correct, 2 explains 1. B. Both correct, 2 doesn't explain 1. C. 1 correct, 2 wrong. D. 1 wrong, 2 correct. The correct answer, C. 1 correct, 2 wrong. 1 correct, 6th schedule, Parliamentary State Acts need exceptions modifications for tribal areas, Assam, Meghalaya, Tripura, Mizoram. 2 wrong, Ghana decides for Assam, 6th schedule para 5, precedent for Meghalaya, Tripura, Mizoram. Not precedent for Assam. Question 25, Financial Emergency Consequences. 1. Center state funds transfer auto-cancelled. 2. Prior precedent approval for state money bills introduction. Select correct option. A. 1. B. 2. C. Both. D. Neither. Correct answer, D. Neither 1 nor 2. 1 wrong, no automatic cancellation. Precedent gives directions to states, Article 363. 2 wrong, Article 363, B. Money bills reserved after passing state legislature for precedent consideration, not prior approval for introduction. बस इतना ही आज के लिए दोस्तों। कितने क्वेश्चंस सही हुए, कमेंट में बताओ। टेस्ट सीरीज कैसी लगी? थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग। लाइक, सब्सक्राइब, बेल आइकन प्रेस करो फॉर मोर वीडियोज़।